Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Cook St. Patrick's Day edition. We have some fun books at the library about St. Patrick's Day. This one is just all about St. Patrick and the special celebration for St. Patrick's Day. And this one is How to Catch a Leprechaun. I bet if you made some Shamrock Shakes and some special pretzel treats, the leprechaun would come because he'd know there'd be treasure ahead. Okay, so first off, we're going to make our Shamrock Shakes to start. And then I'm going to show you how to make the Shamrock pretzel treats. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our blender ready. We're going to need some green food coloring. We are going to need some milk, 1 cup. We are going to need 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. And the very special ingredient we're going to need is some mint extract. Okay, so let's get started. Now, I used to work at Friendly's when I was much younger, and the trick to making a good milkshake is to start with your liquid first. So I'm going to start with my milk first, and I am going to add 1 cup, and that's it. So here we go. There we go, there's a cup. I'm using low-fat milk, but you can use any kind of milk you want. I bet you could even use almond milk if you wanted to go that way. And we're going to use 2 cups of ice cream. So I have 1 cup, so I'm just going to measure up to the 3-cup mark on my blender. Might take a little bit, might take at least 4 scoops, but let's see. Let's get that done. There's 1, 2, 3, now 4. Oh, it looks like we're going to be up on the verge of possibly 5 scoops of ice cream. Looks like it's about 2 cups. Maybe 6. Let's go with 6. It could be thick. It's okay. And if it's too thick, you can always add more milk. Now, I don't know how you celebrate St. Patrick's Day, but a lot of times I like to go to St. Patrick's Day parades or St. Patrick's Day road races. Those are always fun. Okay, so we have this ready. I'm going to add a little bit of green food coloring. If you don't like food coloring, this probably wouldn't have that lovely green color once you mix it up. And I'm just going to add a dash of mint extract. And that's it. Shamrock Shake, here we go. Whoop. It might have been a little bit too much mint extract, but I think it'll still be okay. And then I'm just going to blend. Let's see how it comes out. Let's see if it comes out nice bright green. I have to hook up my blender. Silly me. Let's get that going. The Shamrock Shakes are not going to wait. Let's blend it. What is going on? My blender's not working. I'll have to take a break. Hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta double check. Okay, I think my blender is ready now. That was silly. Hold on, let's see. Oh, I think we might need some more cream. Just a little bit. Actually, it's not bad. Let's just go with this. It's done. That's how easy it is. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention. I'm using some rainbow Airheads to go on top with a little bit of whipped cream. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to pour this in our glass that's already ready to go. Let's take a look. Ooh, that's super thick. Now that made 1 large Shamrock Shake. What a cool topping. And there you go. There's our beautiful Shamrock Shake. And it smells so good. I'm going to save it for a special visitor that's coming after. And we're going to move on to our Shamrock pretzel treats. Okay, So for the pretzel treats, you're going to need 3 of the smaller pretzels. And you're going to put them on a cookie sheet, and you're going to put the open end together all the way around and stick a pretzel stick on the back side. You see how that's made? Now you're going to have your Rolos handy, so you're going to need Rolos for this. I brought the kind that's already unwrapped, which is easy when you're making a recipe like this. So I did that, and then so you're going to preheat your oven to 250, and you're going to actually just line it up on a cookie tray like this, and you're going to add your Rolo to the top. And when it melts, it all comes together. And to top it all off, you're going to add your green M&M. So you're going to need some green M&Ms handy. Now, when it comes to St. Patrick's Day, there's usually a ton around that are available in different colors, different shades. So there we go. So we're going to put those in the oven, and we're going to cook them for 2.5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Not too long, not too short. Make sure your oven is preheated. And I'm going to come back, and we're going to have our special visitor, and we're going to enjoy our treats. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so here we are back, and I put my shamrocks in the oven for about 2.5 minutes. I put them in the freezer to cool down. It took another 10 minutes to cool down, but look how great they are. And the Shamrock Shake is ready to go. And I think I have a special leprechaun visiting today.
Oh! Top of the morning to ya!
Well, hello there, Sean. This is Sean the leprechaun.
Oh, hello, Miss Allison.
Would you like to try a little bit of the Shamrock Shake?
Oh, yes.
Let me put the finishing touches. Remember, I made little rainbows out of those rainbow Airheads, which is a cool touch. And I think
awesome.
Sean will like it.
Oh, yes. Just the end of the rainbow.
Whoa!
Man,
is that delicious?
Nice. Oh, yes.
And I shall try a bite of my little shamrock. I didn't know it was a neat eater. That's delicious. I love it. And if you like Rolos, if you like caramel, if you like chocolate, if you like pretzels, if you like mint shakes,
oh yes,
this is the dish for you. Right, Sean?
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming today, Sean the leprechaun.
You're welcome. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. If you happen to try this recipe, share it on our Facebook page along with this post. And I hope you have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. And don't forget to celebrate.